Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. And today it's Tesla time again, and let's get right into it. This is the part we're talking about. TPARTS sent me these welcome ambient lights. It says for Tesla. And these are the lights that are in the cabin by your feet, you know, and the ones that are in there now, they are LEDs, but they're pretty dim and they're white. Let's see what they send me here. This is not the welcome light, this is the ambient light. The welcome light is the one in the door. No, this one is not for the door, this is for the cabin. Okay, this is a blue dot on here, that means they are blue, because you can get them in purple and in red also. So I'm glad I got them in blue. This is the welcome lights on this side, and these here are the ambient light. So why do they put both on the package? And they say this is only for ambient. That is something I don't know. Why put both on there and it's only for the ambient, for the inside? But anyways, nice little box here. And what do we have on here? It says what the housing material is, how much they weigh, and the 3-watt power. I mean, operation temperature is, sorry, this is in Celsius, so minus 40 degrees Celsius to approximately 80 degrees Celsius. Doesn't really matter, I doubt it gets that hot. Okay, let's open this up. Nice box, and we have some foam here, and these tiny things must be the lights. Oh, they are small. Remember these from other cars from back in the day? They were used at least twice as large. Yeah, it looks like this is an easy swap here. Take the other one out. Okay, now there is no manual with this. But I know on the website from TPARTS you can look up the manuals, and they have a YouTube channel too that shows you how to do things. But this is pretty easy, and I don't think I need a manual for this. But what I need, and that's not in the package, is a pry tool. And I have some pry tools here that I purchased. And see, this one is pretty skinny at the front, so that might work. It's a little bit more round on this edge. And there's another one a little bit different. So I'm gonna try to pry the old ones out, and then when I have the old one out, I disconnect it and I'll put the new one in. So let's go take the old ones out. The old one, well, let's do one side first. Let's do one side first, take one old one out, and then we'll take the next one out as well, or put this one in. You know what I mean. Let's go do it. Okay, first thing is I recommend that you put a spotlight in here, like this one, and this might flicker a little bit. Sometimes the LEDs do that when you film them with the camera. So, but I apologize if it does. I don't have a different light right now. Then you look up here, and you can see where the light is. It's right there. And it is, you know, you got to be a little bit flexible to get to it, so, but it's definitely doable. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a second so I can find a good angle to pry. Okay, as you can see, it's out now, and it's actually hard to get it out. You have to go on, let me show you this, on this side here. So this side here is the one, the right hand side, and you have to go in a little notch and really get your pry tool in there. Or I tried it with a little screwdriver too, flathead, and that works too, but you really have to give it some force or it will not come. Wow, look at that cable, how long that is. Okay, disconnect that. I think there's a little tap here. Do you see that little tap on top here? There, that sound you heard was my watch. There. Okay, I got it. Okay, here is the light, and see, there's the tap on top there. You push that tap down, and then you pull it out. So that was easy. And see that little notch on top? that's where you put your pry tool or your screwdriver in. So this is the original one, and there's one LED in it only. This is the new one, and there are many LEDs. I think there's 6 LEDs in there, so no wonder this thing is a lot brighter. Let me put the camera in here so that you can maybe see me put that in and see what happens. I should have vacuumed in here. I'm always so picky, and I didn't vacuum, and it's the first thing I would say if this was someone else's car that it's not vacuumed. Sorry, I'm working on the camera here to tilt that. How about this? Maybe I should have set that up before, but I don't script my videos. You know, I don't do that. Okay, can you see this? Okay, now find the right spot to put that in. It's right here. You got to be on your knees here for a while, so if you have bad knees, get something to kneel on. Oh, look at that. Man, that thing is bright. That blinds me. See that? Let's turn the light off. See how bright that is? Look at that. Really bright. Okay, let me try to get it in here. Which way does it go? Probably the same as that. I took the other one out. Get in the same way. Stick it in there. And it should snap in. Shouldn't it? Oh, yeah. It sits a little deeper, see? There we go. Okay, got it. Here, this is the result. What do you think? Put that light out of the way. Okay, this is the new LED, nice and bright. And let's go on the other side and look at the original one. Here, that's the original one. See how dim that looks on camera? Wow, that's a big difference. Here's the other one. Okay, guys, I'll put the passenger side in, and I will show you the final result. All right, there you have it. These are the ambient lights for the cabin. So that's another great product from TPARTS. Of course, we got to see how long they last, but the quality of TPARTS products is pretty good, so I'm pretty sure this will be no difference. All right, guys, if you like this and my other products, please go in my description and you will find a discount code to get 10% off of your complete purchase from TPARTS. So tparts.com, see the link. I have it in my description. Put in discount code HANGER or my referral link and you get 10% off if you want to do that. That'd be great, because you get a good product for a little bit cheaper. So thanks to TPARTS for sending me this product to review, and thanks to all of you guys for watching. And if you want to subscribe, please do that so you don't miss any videos. Come back soon for more Tesla videos or more videos about my Lincoln Town Car. I apologize, I can't talk. Or my Shelby GT350, or maybe why not the Ford Explorer or the Mercedes. Anyways, have a good evening and see you all soon.